Hello guys, this is White Ponty over here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate you session fixation bug. So session fixation bug is the bug which hackers often use to do account takeovers, and this is a very valued bug, and you can find it in in most bug bounty programs. This is very common. So though it's not paid that often, and it's usually considered a P5 category, but still, this is a very that serious bug which hackers use for mining, data mining. Okay, they usually get it through some you know browser extensions or some evil browser extensions or some software which they install on a victim's PC. And those websites also need to have bugs to exploit this. So this website is a major US healthcare firm and it has this bug, and I'm going to demonstrate you. And so yeah, I'm going to use a cookie editor simple plugin, so you can just install it. We will just require two browser for it. Um, so over here, let me log in over here. This is the victim. Okay, I created an account by using TempMail. You can use TempMail services. Okay, so suppose the hacker has somehow exploited the cookies. Okay, I'm just copying over here in JSON. Okay, and now what the hacker does is he deletes his cookies and imports the cookie. Okay, and he refreshes. Login. The victim is compromised. Okay, now what? The victim tries to change his password, and you can see this. So victim enters his current password, sets new password. Hi. Okay. So new password reset. So on password reset, a website must by default go back, okay, and do account logout across all the browsers, okay. But over here, the hacker is still in. This is a bug, okay. Now what? The victim logs out. The hacker who has used this the original cookie is still as in intact. It has not expired. It's not using server-side validation. And this is a very major flaw in the design of this website. And anybody can hack it. And WebMD has been hacked multiple times, guys, and its data has been breached. And there are lots of different bugs in the same website. This is a healthcare website, so it's a serious issue, and it can be changed with the IDOT and different things. I will show on later stages. So this was a very basic demonstration of session jacking. So this is how session jacking works. Okay, on email or password reset. the thing has to be logout. Yeah, so it does not happen in WebMD. So it has very much flaws. So this is session jacking. It's a very well-known bugs in most websites, and this is its web demonstration. So the second part of this attack is what we are going to do is chain it with clickjacking. Okay, so clickjacking is also very commonly found bug. So this is the page which I have created. I will share the code. Okay, I am going to do what is open it in Opera. So it shows it's vulnerable. Okay, but if I open this same uh, okay, in Opera, I have opened it and it's vulnerable, and it's not only vulnerable, it has login automatically. Okay, I yeah. So was in so it has already taken in the session, and the session is should not actually pass on to the frame. So it's very vulnerable, and it's vulnerable to this type of these things also, and it can also mine this cookies. Okay, so it can even mine the cookies. Okay, so this is how hackers can easily take over the cookies of the users. Okay, all these cookies will also go to this website whichever hacker is hosting and has put on the iframe over. So it will not only just go to iframe but to the hacker's main website also. And then hacker can also scam users. Okay, this button over here should not have come over as iframe. And first of all, iframes should be blocked in the secure button. Okay, so this was the demonstration. So yeah, that's it. That's all for today.